called tubercles. Whalers used to call them stovefuls. But the tubercles have hairs associated with them. The tubercles are about the size of a ping pong ball or a golf ball. And the hairs located all around them are thought to be used to detect changes in salinity or changes in temperature. And on a cute baby whale like this one, they look very prominent. Very bumpy whale. This might be one of the cutest things you see. Lay it on its side. Sometimes we see little teaching sessions where a mom will breach and then the baby breaches and it goes back and forth. But it appears as though the calf has figured it out and it's breaching on its own. There it goes. It may not get as much height as other animals, probably still learning, but this animal's probably only a couple days or a couple weeks old, so you gotta give it a little credit. This jumping out of the water, or called breaching behavior, is unknown for researchers as to exactly why a whale does it. It's completely unpredictable. Oh, the surface. And they can do it for many reasons that we've been able to determine. Because we see moms and babies and males and females and big ones and little ones do it together in groups by themselves. We can't figure out exactly why, but maybe it just feels good. Oh! If you guys can reach out of the water, wouldn't you? Try it, it's really hard. Homework and go back to the pool. One step. Yeah, that is a big walleye. She has white pectoral fins. If you look into the water and you see a turquoise blue color, that would be her pectoral fins. Instead of being black on top like they usually are, hers are white on top. Through our very clear water in Hawaii, they'll appear blue or turquoise. What color? And if you're not seeing it, it's out towards 10 o'clock. There's the back of the surface. It is really difficult to see. It does help to have polarized lenses.
Nice.
Well, there's another one farther out. Oh, they're all over.
Yeah. Go now.
There's
They
one
went from
straight out.
surface activity to travel mode.
Straight out from her. There's another one.
Oh! There we go.
I don't know. I'm just holding it up, hoping for the
Back one. Did you guys see that? Its head looks so funny. Really straining hard to get that down. There's a research group called Keiki Kohola, which means baby whale, and they're going out today to do some research on these moms and babies out here. In the past, they've determined that the first couple of weeks of a baby whale's life is very active. The whale is constantly in motion, constantly jumping out of the water, tail slapping, possibly trying to work on its muscle tone and increase the amount of oxygen it can store within its muscles. The second half of the time the whale is here, the baby's here, it's more of a resting period. That might be why the whale we saw earlier, the baby we saw first, was in resting mode. It was probably an older calf. This one, way more active, maybe a younger calf. 12 o'clock. Ooh, yeah, 1 o'clock and another whale headed this way. Mom might be about to pick up the boyfriend.
They're all over.
Oh, yeah.
To some extent, mama whale will direct the calf and push it along in the way she wants it to go. Oh, there's another baby out there. That's when we pass on our way out here. So 12:15 is a calf, and about 2 o'clock is another calf. Now this is going to be really interesting because typically lady humpbacks do not get together. They don't associate. But because there's so many whales, and so many babies out here, the population is kind of running out of space. And they might kind of get forced to associate with each other, or maybe they just are going to say, okay, I think we can. But 2 o'clock is our baby we've been watching breach. 12 o'clock, there is another calf.
Look at right up here, there's another.
They are only a few hundred yards apart.